So what we're going to do now is custom mold the brace to your leg. You can do this for both the shin as well as for the thigh. I have already custom molded the shin to my leg, so I'm going to do the thigh right now. What's very, very important, I'm going to emphasize this again, very important, is we want to take whatever we're going to heat up here, we want to take this out. This will ruin it if we try to heat up this plastic with that pad in there. So that's the first thing we want to do, is make sure the pad is out. The next thing we want to do is have a heat gun or a paint stripper. I picked up this Wagner paint stripper heat gun, $25 at Lowe's. Very inexpensive, and this can custom mold the brace 20, 30 times. It's not going to be a big deal, the brace, just in case as your leg heals, the shape of your leg may change, and we can certainly heat mold it again to customize it to your leg. So you're going to want one of these paint stripper heat guns. The next thing we're also going to want is a towel. And the reason we want the towel is we want to be able to shape it to our leg without hurting our leg. So that's what we're going to have draped over our leg to make sure we're fitting it to our leg without the pad in there. So this is going to be about the width of the pad that we just took out of the brace. We want to make sure we get the best fit possible. What we're going to do, we're going to take the brace and we're going to get the heat gun going. It gets hot pretty quickly, and we're going to want to keep it about 1.5 inches away from the plastic. We're going to want to do this about 90 seconds. One of the things we're going to pay attention to is the plastic will get kind of shiny. And it's already gotten shiny. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the towel over my leg and put the brace on my leg. And now I'm going to hold that brace into place. Shouldn't take that long. It cools down relatively quickly. And the position this will cool in is going to be custom fitted to my leg, or in this case, my thigh. And I'll go ahead and put the brace pad in there. Now the brace is cooled down. It's custom fit to my leg. I'm going to go ahead and put the straps back on in the correct order, which is the lowest one first. Then I'm going to go back to the one at my thigh, clip that one in, and then the middle one third. Feel that. And I'll stand up. This feels much tighter up against my thigh. I'll try it out. I'll squat down. And you can also walk around to test to see how it fits.